Hi everyone, welcome to another Autodesk screencast by Zan Ta of Revit Products. This screencast will showcase how to create a custom nosing profile for use in a stair in Revit. If you like this video and would like to see more, please search for Zan Ta or VAR2016. Thanks for watching. Here I am in Autodesk Revit 2017 in the Recent Files window. I'll click New under Families and scroll down to Profiles. Look for the one that says Profile Stair Nosing. We'll click Open, and it'll give you a starting point. You have the tread surface, you have the riser face, and you draw your profile in this quadrant. So let's say, for example, I use the line tool, and I draw something very simple. And let's do 6.5 inches up. We'll go here, and we'll zoom in. And we'll do something like this. And then we'll use a little arc here. And we draw a custom profile like this. Now, the custom nosing profile, the way that I drew it is such that if you can imagine a tread sitting here, and a riser, if you were to create one, sits on here. And the nosing profile basically covers it. You just kind of click and place it in position. So I created this for the sake of saying maybe it's a little bit of a rough tread area, so people, as they're walking down, they can see that, and it gives them a little bit more traction. We've got a round bull nose type of situation here. And then I've created this part of the profile to act as a cover for the riser, just in case you need some kind of protection there. We'll take this and save this as a new family, and we'll call it Custom Profile 5 Nosing, and we'll hit Save. So how do we use this in a project? We'll start a new Revit project. Architectural template is fine. We'll create a stair. We'll do stair by component is fine. Something simple, easy to get. We'll take a look at this in 3D. And I'll do this. And I'm going to get rid of this one. And I'm going to select this particular stair and go into its type properties. And I'm going to take the right support stringer and say none. So you can kind of see this information without anything obscuring you. Now again, if you select the stair and go back to the type properties, if you look very carefully, there's nowhere does it say it's using a profile for the nosing. The way this works is this stair is by component, so each part of the stair is its own system family. So what you need to do is you need to tab into that particular portion of the run. Now that it's highlighted, you can left click to select it. You can go to its type properties, and you'll notice this information is different than what you saw earlier. In here, you'll see nosing profile. And so it says stair nosing pan, stair nosing. Click inside here and you'll notice that they give you a couple to work with. So if I just say, let's pick the C channel profile for fun, you'll see it's putting in that profile and placing it accordingly. We want to use our own. So let's Control Tab back over to our profile and load it into the project. Now that it's loaded, let's again use the Tab key to select that Run System Family component. Go back to the type properties, and in the nosing profile, you should be able to see the custom one that you created. I'm going to click Apply and OK, and now it's physically applied it. In this situation, I don't really need the risers either, so I'm going to select the stair in general and head over to the type properties and look for the riser and see if I can see that information. I don't. All I have is supports for left, right, and middle. So that means that we need to tab into that run, then go to the type properties and uncheck riser. Hit apply, the riser disappears, as you can see here. Click OK, and now you've got a custom nosing profile that's acting as a riser as well, if you will. Kind of think about it that way. You can assign material to this if you have to as well. And then lastly, again, tabbing into that portion, go to its type properties, and you'll see it says apply nosing profile says front only. You can say front and left, front and right, front left and right. So I'm going to say front and right. Hit apply and hit OK. So now you kind of wrapped around that nosing profile. And this could be a situation where the railing or the stair is up against the wall. So let's go ahead and do that real fast. Let's take and select the stair and turn off the stringer on the left side. And we'll actually get rid of the handrail. We'll head over to plan view and we'll draw a wall like so and align and lock like so. Don't even have to unlock it. We'll just place it. So now you can kind of get an idea of a stair that you've created with a custom railing that's against the wall. That's it. That's how you create a custom nosing profile for a stair within Revit. Thank you very much.